Star Seeds, hi! Welcome back to Irene the Cocoa Queen. So I'm really super thrilled to be sharing this recipe with you. This is going to be an avocado hummus and herb recipe that you guys are gonna love. You can actually eat this as a meal with some vegetables on the side. It's gonna be super delicious, raw and vegan and full of nutrients. So before we get into the kitchen, don't forget to like and subscribe because I am here every single week freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So let's get into the kitchen and let me show you how to make this recipe. So you're gonna get out your food processor, and to it you're going to add in 1 3/4 of a cup of chickpeas, 1 1/2 cups of fresh coriander, 1 1/2 ripe avocados, the juice of 3 lemons, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 clove of garlic, and then you're just going to mix all that up until really nicely combined. So after you've mixed all those ingredients up, you're going to add in 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you're gonna give it a good mix once again. And then presto, you have an amazing raw vegan meal that you can eat for lunch and dinner, packed with nutrients. Delicious. So now you're gonna get out your favorite bowl and you're going to place all of that goodness inside the bowl. And now it's time to decorate our hummus, avocado hummus, with anything you like. I myself am going to add in some oregano, some rosemary, a couple of chickpeas, some sunflower seeds, some pumpkin seeds, and voila, you have this super delicious raw vegan meal that's totally loaded with nutrients. So you can have this dip with some pita bread, or even make a huge meal out of it and add in some cherry tomatoes and celery and all kinds of assorted vegetables. So this is perfect for weight loss because it's high in good fats, but it's also incredibly delicious and nutrient dense. Okay, Star Seeds, thank you so much for watching Irene the Cocoa Queen. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you loved it, subscribe, because I am here every single week freeing all beings, guys, one recipe at a time together. So I'll see you guys next time for the next recipe.